Tip 1, towel up. Place one towel around your client's shoulders and one towel on the floor. One will help with safety, and the other will help catch the warm braids after they're steamed. Tip 2, boil water with soothing essential oils. Infusing the boiling water with lavender, tea tree, or peppermint oil will help to ease any scalp tension or inflammation. Tip 3, keep it under control. Place your client's hair into a cylinder-shaped container like a pitcher. Then gently pour the warm water into the container and onto your client's braids. The cylinder-shaped container helps to avoid bends in the braids. By pouring the water onto the hair versus dipping it into the water, you're able to safely control where the hot water meets the hair. Tip 4, use a handheld garment steamer. This method is so affordable and easy to do. By using a handheld garment steamer, you can reach areas closer to the scalp. Just make sure you point the steamer away from your client's scalp and face. Tip 5, blow dry post steaming. Blow drying the hair seals the cuticle in your client's hair and locks in the moisture. You want to make sure you remember to switch to a cool setting when the hair is almost dry. Blow drying the hair helps to eliminate bacteria and odor.